Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So single entry system, what is single entry system, what is double entry system, that we have seen already, and method of preparation of single entry system we have seen 3 steps. One is statement of affairs just like balance sheet, second one is statement of profit and revised statement of affairs. Now first one we have seen statement of affairs just like balance sheet in the previous problem, just a previous class. Now today we will see statement of profit. Pro forma also I told you in the very beginning class of single entry. So what is the pro forma of statement of profit? First we will take the closing stock. To that we will add the drawings and also we will deduct the capital, any new capital introduced that will deduct, and also opening capital we will deduct, so that you get the profit or loss of that statement. Statement of profit or loss. We will be starting with the closing stock, add drawings, deduct additional capital, deduct opening capital, that's it, right? Now same pattern to make you to understand and to have a clarity. I have taken one problem. By the way, this problem is important for the short problems, and also if you understand this, then only you will be able to work out single entry essay type problems. So this is the base. Now let's see the problem. What is the information given? Find out the profit of the business for the year 2020 from the given information. What is the information? Capital as on 1/1/2020. 2020 year na. So capital as on 1/1/2020 means this is opening capital. Beginning. Okay. Opening capital 15,000. Opening capital 15,000 and capital introduced during the year 3,000. Introduced capital 3,000. Drawings for the personal use 1,500. Capital as on 31st December means closing capital 21,000. With this we have to find out the profit. Find out the profit. They are not saying you to prepare statement of profit or loss. They are saying you to find out the profit. When you know this information, it is understood that we have to prepare the statement of profit. What is the format? Format I have written, statement of profit, particulars amount. First we will start with the closing stock, closing capital, sorry. So closing capital is here. We will write first closing capital. Closing capital is 15,000. As per the pro forma, to the closing stock, closing capital, we have to add the drawings. So add drawings. If drawings are given, but in this problem drawings are given already, so drawings are 1,500, we will add. If we add, we will be getting 16,500. Okay. What we are going to deduct? Additional capital and also opening capital. Additional capital is here 3,000. Okay. Deduct or less additional capital. Additional capital 3,000. And also we have to deduct the opening capital. Opening capital is here this one 15,000. Sorry, closing capital is 21,000, no? By mistake I have written 21,000. 21,000 plus 500, 22,500. May need to be careful. Now we closing capital is 21,000. Add drawings 1,500, so it is 22,500. Deduct additional capital 3,000 and also opening capital, less opening capital. Opening capital is 15,000. So this is more and this is less, means you are going to get the profit. 22,500 minus 18,000. 4,500 is the profit. Simple, that's it. Easy to understand. First, take a screenshot or pause the video and note down. If you understand statement of profit, keep the pro forma inside of your mind. Statement of affairs, what it is, and statement of profit. These two, if you are thorough, if you understand, next problem will work out essay type problem where we can work out in one problem only statement of affairs and statement of profit. Both will work out in one problem only. Am I clear? What is statement of profit? To know the profit, we will be preparing statement of profit. So the pro forma is closing capital will take, add drawings, minus additional capital and also minus opening capital. That's it, you will get profit. If the suppose say, if you get a negative, then that will be loss. Simple. Am I clear? In the next class, we'll see more problems. By the way, check out the playlist, whatever may be the course you are doing. Definitely there are many subjects which will be useful for you. Use it, practice it more times, revise it more times, and don't forget to share these videos. Stay blessed and have a wonderful career. Good luck.